Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Joseph and I'm a full-time eBay reseller, and she is...
Hi guys, I'm Orsi.
And we are the Endless Treasure. Today we coming something new, and we would like to show to you how much money we make with just soft toys, because like so many of you know, and if you follow us on Instagram, we have a huge giveaway. Everyone has a chance to win who done the following rules. The giveaway available only in UK. What you have to do: follow us on Instagram, DJRU77, subscribe our YouTube channel, like the post on Instagram, and tag 3 of your friends. If you done all the 3 steps, you has a chance to win one of the prizes. But what is the prize? We have 3 prizes, so we have 3 winners in this giveaway. The first prize, it's a Funko Pop Star Wars Mandalorian The Child Bubblehead 10-inch pop figures in original box. The second one, Funko Pop 10-inch Star Wars The Mandalorian with Child Bubblehead 10-inch figures in original box. The third one, 2 normal size Funko Pop figures, Toy Story 4 Alien Glow in the Dark Special Edition Funko Pop and Toonami Tom Special Edition Funko Pop figures. We would like to say a huge thank you for all of you who support us in our journey. Good luck for everyone. The deadline is 30th of June, 2 p.m. The drawing is 30th of June, 6 p.m. In the big live show. Good luck for everyone. You can see we sold a lot of soft toys, but this is just part of the business. Which categories we are selling? We are selling electronics, seasonal stuff like in the summer like chairs, in the winter time skates, and like all kind of stuff, shoes, clothes, and of course soft toys.
So why is our favorite category is the soft toys? Because we can buy very cheap from Carboot Sale, Facebook Marketplace, sometimes for 20p, 50p, £1, and it's very easy to post, very easy to list, and easy to clean as well. So we like them very much, and so much fun to deal with them as well.
And sometimes, it's not sometimes, because last few weeks we pick up a lot of soft toys for free, so in locally, so we don't have to spend any money for travel, and we make a lot of money with that. Let me explain to you which type of plush soft toys we're selling. Of course we're selling Disney, and some of the Disney is the rarest one, can go very high money if you're lucky, but just the basic one, it's going for 8 to 15, 20 pound. We're selling Build-A-Bears, vintage soft toys, Jellycat. Some of the Jellycat same can go for very high money, and just the basic one we sold around 15-20 pound, but we sold few of them for 60 pound, 40 pound, 50 pound, and yeah. And vintage categories, the vintage soft toys, it's Kill Toys, the Goon soft toys going very well. The Applause, it's some of them can be really crazy. It's some of them can go around 100, 200 and higher, and yeah, and
the wild animal stuff as well.
The wild animals like the nature wild,
yeah.
and something like that. Yeah, so how we learn this stuff exactly? We watch a lot of videos on YouTube. We watch the American guy. It's
the Zombie Birkin Hunter. So if you like this type of content, what we try to make it now as well, follow him, because you can learn a lot, and he make serious money on eBay with just soft toys as well. So it's really helpful to watch his videos.
and of course, yeah, something going very well on US because he's based on
Yeah.
US, but we are based in UK, and it's not the same price, but you can learn a lot of things, and you can go to eBay and just check the sort comps. Just search soft toys and check the sort comps, and you can set up the price for 15 to 50 pound, and yeah, you can learn stuff like that easily.
So how we storage them? We usually buy 70 or 90 liters of storage boxes at Wilco. We can buy for 10 to maximum 15 pound, and we sign with alphabetic. So we just write on the how we call, in the item specific, the
Yeah,
custom label,
Yeah,
the alphabetic sign, and alphabetic word, and we can search them easily which box should we have to find them. So it's easy to storage them as well. Okay, if you sell a lot of plushies, it takes so much space as well, but honestly you don't have to do with them nothing after when you clean and list. So I think it's easy way to make money.
and how we listing them? Of course, the first most important things, the keywords. Like I use all the time the same keywords: soft plush toy, stuffed animal if it's the animal type. If it's animal, you can use the zoo. If it's looks like the same like the normal animals, you can use the realistic, because that one is a perfect keyword. Also, you can use gift, kids, and
Cuddly.
yeah, cuddly toy, teddies. So yeah, it's very easy to list. That's why we love to sell plushies, and also it's very easy to packing, because if they have the original label, original tags, or has the plastic eyes or something is plastic on that, we use a little bit bubble wrap, and we just put the polymailer bag, and that's it.
Yeah.
You done. And I think, let's see how much money we make it with just soft toys on eBay.
So from January until end of May, we make on eBay 2,859 pound, but this is only just eBay, and on Depop we make 336 pound, and on Vinted 358 pound, so it's almost the same. And on Facebook Marketplace around 200 pound, maybe now 200 plus, so it means it's altogether 3,753 pound.
And of course, this is not include the fees, but we selling the soft toys with postage, so the buyer pay the postage, and also the postage cost include the packing material as well.
Yeah, we try to calculate like that.
Yeah.
So only just with soft toy, almost 4K, I think it's not too bad. So
and we're still growing, so
yeah.
So let's see each month how much we make with soft toys. So in January we made 562 pound, and this is 27 soft toys. On February we made 459 pound. It is the same amount. It's 27 soft toys.
In March we made 563 pound, and it was 34 soft toys. So it's 3, 4, 7 plus than in January and February.
On April we sold a little bit less. It's 508 pound and 30 soft toys.
Yes, and now I mean in May, we made 767 pound, so it's 200 more than the previous month, and also the quantity is more as well because it's 45 pieces. And I forget to mention on Depop the 336 pound, it was 19 soft toys. I mean, we sold 19 soft toys, and on Vinted the same amount, 357 pound, but it was 33 soft toys from January to May.
We sold a lot of them, and like you can see, in January we do 560 pound, and after that it's so like you can see on May we make 250 pound more than the other months. So hopefully in the next months we can make more than that money, so we can grow, because we top up our store in a Carboot season, and hopefully we can double that amount in few months. At the moment the active listing, just the soft toys, it's 378 plushies, which means it's like 5,600 pound or something like that, the value. So I think it's not too bad.
Yeah.
And let's see the statistics, the ranking on eBay. The branded soft toys in the used
Categories?
In the used category, from 27,000 seller, we are the 54th, which I think is not too bad, because we just started 1.5 years ago.
Yeah.
And the used Disney category, from 13,560 seller, we are the 12.
Yeah, which is we think amazing as well. Some other resellers maybe have 10 times of plushies like for us at the moment, because maybe they have a full warehouse or a big garage or something like that. But now we have a limited space, so I think if we have more space, we buy more and more, because really we do enjoy to sell them, and for us it's going well as well. So
yeah, and until you enjoy this type of job, I think it's worth to do it. And like you can see, we make money as well. So what we want more.
yeah.
So yeah.
We still not experts, but we do learn a lot from other YouTubers, and we also researching a lot, or even if we just see one soft toy in the Carboot Sale and we think it's maybe interesting and can worth little money, we just buy, and after we see how much we can sell it for. So
yeah, at this moment we when we go to the Carboot Sale, we didn't research anything.
Yeah.
So if we like something, or we think it looks interesting, we just buy it, because what you can lose £1. I think it's okay, and you can still sell it on Vinted, because Vinted is like it's a clearance platform, but still you can sell so many soft toys on full price.
yeah.
So you can't lose anything, and yeah, learn. This is the most important things, and we're still learning, and like you can see, we're growing, and nobody can stop us.
Yeah, and we also promise one more video, because some of you guys ask to make a content about how we cleaning the plushies, and we still didn't do it now, but it's on the way, so we're gonna do it soon, and hope you're gonna like that video as well.
And more content is coming. It's not just the usual one.
Yeah.
So hope you enjoy it. It's still we do Carboot videos. We are going 2 weeks holiday soon, but you can still watch us on YouTube because we make more content. So you didn't realize we are not here. And also you can find us on Instagram. So if you have any question or we can help to you figure out something, just message us, and we really here to help you. And I think
This is it.
this is it. Hope you love this content. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram.
DJRU77.
Stay safe, guys. See you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.